Hey guys, it's Dave here again. Got another quick little update for you here, which will probably be one of quite a few coming along with the opening of the new Montreal store. So we got some changes we got to make. This one's all going to focus around just taxation. Quick little info session here about what I've changed to implement kind of a province-based taxation model now that, well, we're not only in Ontario, which I know we never were, but now our focus actually has to shift a little more, and it's going to make everything work better anyway. So we'll just jump right in here, and it's kind of late where I am right now, so we'll just get this over with here, and you guys can carry on your way in the morning. So we just have a standard opportunity here. I am on the live site. Everything is pushed and it will be there for you in the morning. I've built this already, but it's the same as if we just go in. So I will go into the configurator like we're going to make a change. We got tax rate over here. It looked like this very similar before, except for now when we click on it, we're going to get this little flyout box. We can select whatever province we're actually selling in now, and the tax rate will change. Please make sure you click update. That runs through. You'll see the tax actually changed over here. Does all the calculations for you, sends it over, and then you can simply just click there to send it back. We have an override here. That's just in case for some really weird reason we want to specify. I don't even know why we want to do this, but we may want to do it. We can just specify whatever rate we want. So that just flat out overrides it. And there is also, I'll probably sort this a little better. This was just kind of the way I went. So I'll probably change it so it's alphabetical. There is tax exempt here, so if we do have a customer that is tax exempt, we can just select that. That will take care of all that as well. So really, it is pretty much about that simple. This gets set based when you first create the opportunity. It's based on your home store. So for everybody that's going to be watching this right now, is always going to be populated as Ontario. As the Quebec store or the Montreal store, starts to open, theirs will automatically be populated as Quebec. So that makes sense. And that's all you really need to see there. It's pretty simple. So we'll go look at a retail countershell that I've done here. You're going to see very similar functionality here as well. There used to be a drop down up here where you wasn't even drop down, it was just input where you could set the tax rate. I've just moved it down here, and we can click here and you get a very similar box as well. Actually, it's not similar, it's identical. So it does, all the same things. And you click update, and it does it all. And once you click save, it will save properly. So that's all you guys really need to know about that. One other thing I'll show you that is part of the store in Montreal opening, and you'll start seeing it a little more prevalently, is of course some dual language stuff. So French is going to start being a little more prevalent. In the quote, we always got asked what the valid until date was. Now we have to choose between English and French. French right now is just, it's full of dummy data. We don't have the French data just yet. We're working on creating the translations. So don't use it. It's just a template holder, so until we get the data, then this will all work. I can take away these crazy red letters, and things other than French name will show up. It's the same for the invoice as well. Invoice used to just kind of go in and create the invoice. Now you have to answer the question, French or English. Because this is Ontario, it's going to assume that you want English. Basically, it's always going to assume you want English unless it finds out that the opportunity is from Quebec, and then it will default to French. But again, you can always change it. So, that's it. Hope this all makes sense. I hope it's all working for you. If you guys get in tomorrow and this isn't working for you, man, let me know right away. Again, if things are working the way I showed them to you, but you think they should work differently, again, let me know. I'll do whatever it needs to make your guys' job easier. That's kind of what I'm here for. And yeah, hope everything works out well for you, and I'll hear from you guys at another time. Peace.